to another tutorial. Today, I will make this type of edit. Let's start the tutorial first. Import overlay and football clips overlay and other elements, check description below. First step, add text animation. Go to Video Effect and search Wide and add Wide Angle Effect Amount set 100%. All material used in this video to providing drive link key description below. Use searching another player. High quality PNG image website. Name is Footy Renders. Now, back to the video, add keyframe. Like this, follow my step. Follow my graph, apply same graph pattern. Add red solid layer and change the blending mood. Choose slide, select the animation. Select the animation. Fade out. Add Neymar, PNG image. And apply, same process, add Mbappe, PNG image again, repeat, same process. Last step, add Ronaldo, PNG image. Add green solid layer and change the blending mood. Slide. Follow my steps. go to Effect panel and add Oblique Blur Effect. And amount. Set, rotate 0%, and blur amount 100%, and add. Keyframe, follow my steps. Copy all effect and paste. The all clip added data breach effect. Now complete all steps. I hope enjoying my tutorial. Please don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in next tutorial.